How to delete all Facebook photos at once. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up Facebook application in your mobile device. And just like that, log in to your account. Once logged in, tap on the menu icon right over here. Scroll below, tap on Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. Scroll below again and then simply select Activity Lock from your activity. And then in the Activity Center, you will be able to find an option that says Manage Posts. Tap onto it. This section will show all of your regular posts, videos, photos, and everything you have done on Facebook. You need to go and simply tap on this filter icon. Then select Categories. Now select your posts, photos, and videos. This will only show your videos and photos. You can simply tap on Select All to select everything, and you can either archive them or tap on this trash icon to delete all of your photos and videos from Facebook. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.